Hello, everybody. Spirit wants us to pay attention to our health. We've tried out so many different things and we've been patient, and they want us to take time out now. They say that we are successful, we're stable, we're accomplished, and powerful in our own selves. Our plans are working out very well, and professional and financial success is ours. It's coming our way. You using your resources wisely, and even though things that we wished for haven't come true yet, it caused a whole lot of turmoil. We released that, and we trusted the divine. They say you will be taken care of in difficult times, but you're on a new path, a brand new path. You must finish your what you started, um, and that is something important apparently, and now is the time to complete it. You must put your energy into the basics and let go of excess. You are going to get the recognition and the rewards that you deserve because you've set healthy boundaries and got rid of things that are not working for you anymore. You connected to the abundant universe, and uh, things are going to materialize for you very soon. Your family wishes are going to come true. Your spirit guides are near, so if you need help, speak to them. Something in as far as business is coming your way, which is going to be very exciting, and they want you to be the peace from now on. It's time tonight to celebrate and enjoy 2025 for the last time. Open your arms to receiving. You prayed for help, now open to accepting it. Reach for the stars. You deserve only the best, and this is all you should focus your attention on. This is your messages from your loved ones. Have a lovely evening. Happy New Year to all of you, and God be with you. Bye for now.